Well, greetings.
Faly miarahaba antsika rehetra.
My name is Pastor Kevin,
Ny anarako dia Pasteur Kevin.
and I'm from the United States of America.
Za avy any Etazonia.
And I live in this state of Iowa in the town of Waterloo.
Dia za dia mipetraka any amin'ny Waterloo.
And I'm so excited to be back in Madagascar.
Dia faly indray tafiverina eto Madagasikara.
I was just here in February of this year,
Tonga teto moa za tamin'ny volana febroary lasa teo.
and we just believe that God has great things for this nation.
Ary zahay dia mino fa manana zavatra tsara ho an'ity firenen'ity Andriamanitra.
God has put a love in my heart
Andriamanitra nametraka zavatra betsaka ato am-poko
for this nation here.
ho an'ity Madagasikara ity.
And I know He's not done with it.
Ary haiko fa mbola tsy tapitra amin'ity Madagasikara ity Andriamanitra.
And God has great and mighty things
Dia manana zavatra betsaka sy ngeza ho an'ity ihany koa Andriamanitra
for the people of this nation.
ho an'ireo malagasy rehetra.
I just want to invite you to come to this conference.
Dia anasanao fotsiny aho hoe tongava amin'ity conférence ity.
No matter how you find yourself right now,
Na ohatrany ahoana fahatsapanao amin'izao fotoana izao.
I believe God's going to touch your life
Za mino fa afaka nikasika amin'ny fiainanao Andriamanitra
in a miraculous way.
amina fomba mahagaga.
I believe the fire of God
Za mino amin'ny afin'Andriamanitra
is going to hit the place.
izay tena meno ny toerana rehetra.
People's lives are going to be changed.
Iova ny fiainan'olona rehetra.
Healings are going to take place.
Isy fanasitranana ihany koa ao.
Miracles are going to happen.
Isy fahagagana ihany koa amin'ny
The
fotoana.
word's going to go forth in power,
Dia andeha ny tenin'Andriamanitra amin'ny hery
and your life will never be the same.
ary tsy ohatra ny taloha intsony ny fiainanao.